Hello, my name is Armani. I appreciate you looking at my work and hope you will find it interesting. Let me tell you a few more facts about myself. As a highly experienced contractor, I treat every web business as if it was my own, and my dedication to every project always yields positive results. I want to present our business cooperation by showing you some of my works. I am well versed in all internet tools that have assisted me in delivering results quickly and effectively, and I am continuously on the lookout for new opportunities to learn. I provide freelance services such as data entry, lead generation, email marketing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, and messenger marketing to individuals and organizations. As a data entry specialist for one of the largest community service online contractor in the Philippines, PHDAT, I collected data from the given source file, database, and website, transfer it to a new format desired by the client, and all executed with precision and no errors, and save 2 to 3 hours daily time for my client. As a lead generation specialist of the group, I provided thousands of credible leads from industry of termites and pest control services ahead of time, which needed to maximize their online presence by heating up on the pandemic. As directed in email marketing, I provide 5 phases email funnel with the strictly observance of the group branding guidelines to give prospect that I gather in lead generation tasks to provide an overview of my client services. This result is an open email rate over 20% with positive response in my client services. And here, all my graphic, including this one, result from deep understand of IDA format, where viewers are led to understand the purpose and design of the image without giving much thought. As a graphic artist, I practice design thinking more than anything. Demographic also play a vital role in my design. This sample makes more engagement and reaction for this post. And here I was assigned to create various designs such as a restaurant menu, social media posts, tarpaulins, and many more in the Oriental Bataan. On this tower session FB page, I was also assigned to create a logo, promos, menu, banner on their FB page, which result in more engagement and reaction on their page, resulting in more sales in their store. This is the list of my satisfied clients logo that I make for their businesses and individuals. As a social media manager and content creator, my duties revolve around composing articles, extensive research, and designing graphics to produce high-quality content that generate many engagement and reaction. This I made this I made this possible because I deeply understood the group audience demographic, branding, and guidelines. On my screen are the page statistics during my first day on the job. The group has not a manager for a short time, hence, these poor stats. After some time and through the periodic creation of content that gained the audience interest, I improved page statistic as shown here, and this is the last article graphics combination I posted before my contract termination. You can see the glaring improvement. This is the list of the FB page that I'm helping to improve their brand and help them by creating engaging content and graphic design and video for their product and put advertising. As you can see, there have seen a lot of engagement, order, and sales in their businesses since they hired me as social media manager for their page. As a video editor, I provide high quality video and engaging content for my client and projects. This is the kind of content I created, like promotional video for one of my clients in food and restaurant industry, and this one is for my Amazon client and individuals. I was also assigned to create a promotional video for Oriental Bataan to promote their facility, social media event, and function hall where they can save time from the guest inquiries for the picture of their function hall and events. As a messenger marketing, I was also assigned to create automated reply for possible question of inquiries for their business. My clients save time by answering all common questions such as allocation, menu, open time, promos, and product. The result is that Facebook page gave them a badge for a responsive page, lessen their time for inquiry, and get satisfied customer for fast and detailed answer. And that's the presentation of the work I have done before. I look forward to getting to know you and your businesses and become an asset to your respective company and how can contribute to its growth. If there's something that you need that will fit my role, don't hesitate to get in touch with me at the link below. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.